In front of me is Blackshark gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. First of all, launch your keyboard. Second of all, click on Clipboard at the top of it and use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Then go back thanks to this arrow at the top left corner. Now, you need to copy or cut any text and paste it right away by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. If you won't pin it though, it will disappear after an hour. So to do that, hold it and use pin option. You can unpin it the same way. By holding it, you can also paste it if you don't like clicking on it, I guess. To delete anything from Clipboard, swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and use delete option. Now, to manage multiple clips at once, use this pen at the top right corner, click on them and decide if you want to pin them or delete them. To disable Clipboard fully, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!